Explanation. Properties of air. Air is all around us. We cannot see it, yet we feel the presence of air. When we inhale and when we blow on our hand through our lips, we can feel the air. Let's do some simple experiment to learn the properties of air. Experiment 1. Take a stick from a broom or a paper or plastic straw. Tie a thread at its center and hang it so that it remains horizontal. Procedure. Tie 2 rubber balloons of the same size at the 2 ends of the stick. Inflate 1 balloon and tie it again. Observation. The stick goes down on the side of the inflated balloon. Conclusion. Air has weight. Air is a mixture of gases. Therefore, like all other matter, it has mass and weight. Experiment 2. Take an injection syringe without the needle. Pull its piston. Observation. The piston can be pulled out easily. The piston then remains in that position even if you let it go. If we close the inlet of hole of the syringe tightly, the more force will be required to pull out the piston. Conclusion. The molecules of the gases in the air are in constant motion. When these molecules strike a body, they create pressure on that body. This pressure of air is also called as atmospheric pressure. Experiment 3. On pulling the piston with the inlet of hole of the syringe closed, more space becomes available to the air in the syringe and it becomes rarefied. Observation. If this experiment is repeated, holding the syringe in different positions like vertical, horizontal or inclined, the piston is found to go into the same extent in all the cases. Conclusion. From this, we can infer that atmospheric pressure is the same in all the directions. Under ordinary conditions, atmospheric pressure at sea level is about 1,01,400 newtons per square meter. It can be measured with the help of barometer. As we go higher above sea level, atmospheric pressure decreases. In 1726, the Swedish scientist Daniel Bernoulli put forth the important principle that the pressure of air increases when its velocity decreases, while the pressure of air decreases when its velocity increases. Effect of air pressure. Experiment. Take some water in a plastic cup and hold a straw upright in it. Hold a small piece of another straw near the upper end of the first straw and perpendicular to the straw. Blow hard through the small piece of straw. Observation. The water comes out in the form of a fountain. Conclusion. On blowing through the straw, the air at its open end is pushed away and hence the pressure of air near upper end of the erect straw becomes less than the atmospheric pressure. The water in the cup is pushed from where the pressure is higher to where it is lower. This straw fountain works on Bernoulli's principle. When there exists a difference in the air pressure at two different places, the air starts flowing from the place of higher pressure to the place of lower pressure. We feel a breeze or a wind blowing. Thus, winds are an effect of the difference in air pressure.